Athlytic is marketed as a recovery and fitness tracking app that uses data from your Apple Watch to provide insights into recovery, strain, sleep, and overall readiness. It aims to deliver many of the same metrics as dedicated fitness wearables. But the real question is it better than Whoop? Now, to be fair, both Athlytic and Whoop are legitimate fitness tracking platforms. The better choice depends on your goals, budget, and whether you already own an Apple Watch. What it does well: uses your Apple Watch. If you already wear an Apple Watch, there's no need to buy another fitness tracker. Recovery insights. The app provides metrics like recovery scores, exertion, sleep analysis, and heart rate variability. Where the hype falls apart, it depends on Apple Watch data. The quality of the insights is limited by the data your Apple Watch collects, not identical to Whoop. While the metrics are similar, the algorithms and recommendations aren't the same. Subscription required. Many of the app's features require an ongoing subscription. So, should you choose Athlytic over Whoop? Short answer, yes, if you already own an Apple Watch. If you're invested in the Apple ecosystem, Athlytic can deliver valuable recovery insights without requiring another wearable. But if you want a device designed specifically for continuous recovery tracking, Whoop may still offer a more comprehensive experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.